Oh, look at you. You're looking so beautiful tonight. You're so pretty. I'm so happy you're my girlfriend. And someone's got the giggles tonight. Why are you so giggly? You're so beautiful. Look at you. You're such eye candy for me. I just love looking how sweet you are. You're so sweet. You're my sweet girl. I'm not doing anything. You think I'm trying to get on your sweet side? Well, your good side. I'm not trying. I'm not trying to do anything, okay? Look at you. You're so red in your cheeks. You're so adorable. You're my sweet baby. Look at you. I love that little face you make. You look so flustered. What do you think? I just want to pet you like a puppy. Who's a good puppy? Can you bark for me? I'm sorry. What? You're just cute like a puppy, I'm sorry. I'm just teasing. I'm not serious. But I think that would be cute if you barked for me. You're so petable. You mind if I pet you? Okay, let me pet you on your head. You're so cute. Your hair is so soft, you feel that? You're so soft. Everything about you is so wonderful. I'm so happy I have a girlfriend like you. There's no one else I'd rather be with. My darling. Good girl. Just like that. You're so cute. Leaning into my hand like that. You're so adorable when I pet you on your face like this. You have such squeezable cheeks. Would you say you're more like a dog or a cat? Just in general. Generally speaking. Really? I think you're more like that too. You're so funny. Well, whatever animal you are. You're a soft and cuddly one. Not like you're actually an animal, right? I don't know. I think for myself, between a dog and a cat. Maybe more like a dog. What do you think? You're so funny. My sweet baby. I'm so glad I have you to myself tonight. What else do you want to do? You want to play some video games or read a book, or you like reading? I love you. You have such soft lips. He's so drooly. What do you want to do? I just want to cuddle like this for the rest of the night. I wouldn't mind either way. But I really do want to play something with you. I think that would be so fun. I love playing games with you. You're so kind and so sweet. You're so fun to be around. My sweet girl. I love teasing you. You get so red in the face whenever I call you good things like that. I love watching you blush and get flustered. You really are the cutest. Yeah. I really just want to watch your face turn red. It's so cute when you turn red. And look at your cute little ears. They're turning pink. Does it make your tummy feel nice? So happy it does. You know, my tummy gets butterflies when you say things to me like that too. So I like to return the favor sometimes. Just a little teasing. My sweet girl. I want to hold you tighter. I could fall asleep right now. Just me and you. Sorry. How my breath smell? You're so beautiful. I love you. You're so good. You're so good. You're my good girl. You're so sweet. I love you.